So before we want to cover up an area with a Cintiq turf, first of all we have to level all the area that we need um, uh, to cover it by Cintiq turf. So here you see this area, it's a big area, so you can just see this area, it's already level, and after that we use sand to make them clean sand. And also after putting the sand, spreading the sand, we compact it with a machine, and after that we can use the Cintiq turf. Like you can see the Cintiq turf here in this area also. You can understand it here. Also we want to make this area level for the Cintiq turf. You can see this area after we level this, and after we start finishing leveling this and compact it with this machine, we will just start cutting the Cintiq turf and cover them all with the Cintiq turf. So this was a short information about the Cintiq turf, how to use it, how to make them. And if you can see this area, we have just covered this Cintiq turf here. So after covering it like this, after that we will use the nails. In every 30 centimeters we should use the nail, and after using fasten it with nail, we use the sand, the white sand, on top of it, so it will set properly. Thank you.